This video I go through the best picks when it comes to AI meme coins. They're massively trending at the moment, and literally every single day you're getting more and more six-figure and even millionaires minted, and I don't exaggerate. All of these coins that I'm going to show you today, a lot of them that I've ran already, when you check the top traders tabs here, you can see massive P&Ls here, so a lot of six figures. And it's not just one or two people, it's a lot of people in the top list. So let's get started. First one I've discussed already, I'm just mentioning it here. I don't think you should trade it, but it's GOAT. And if you've been watching my videos, especially the last couple of videos where we talk about AI meme coins, I've talked about this one a lot. And I'm convinced this will hit that 1.618 area, which is the 1 billion mark, and be the first ever 1 billion pumped up fun token. Could go a lot more too. But if you're trading this now, if you're not in it already and you're trading it, it doesn't make sense in terms of ROI. If you've been watching my videos recently, you saw I talked about expected value EV. I'm going to share with you some mid-cap coins that make way more sense than this one. So just keep that in mind as well. But just to give you an idea of this one, if you click on top traders here, you can see the absolutely ridiculous figures sold and unrealized profits. People are still holding millions in profits. So let's not mess around here. Like, there's a lot of money in AI meme coins. And by the way, even on this one a few days ago, I first mentioned it probably a couple of weeks ago now on my Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter because I've started to do short analysis on there too, where I do quick videos like this on particular meme coins. People have found that helpful, so I'm going to continue to do that there too. So make sure you follow. The account is @SajadFlips. Next one, we're going to start large and then work down to smaller. This is called ACT. And I think I had discussed this again in a couple of videos ago, but this is now pumping and doing very, very well. I know that a lot of influencers are getting involved in this on X. Now, early stages, that's a good thing. Late stages, not a good thing, but early stages is actually quite good. So in this particular one, you can see we've hit a peak of 75 million already. What you're looking at is pullbacks to buy in. Now, when I mention a coin here, just as a general point here, you could be watching this video. So let's say it's this video you're watching. You could be watching it as soon as I release it. A week from now, a month from now, hell, this could be viraling a year from now. Obviously, just because I mention on this video that this is a coin you should be interested in, doesn't mean you automatically buy it when you watch the video. Depends what the price is doing. So look for pullbacks, see if it's still a bullish structure, things like that. Those are the things you need to check. Check if the uptrend sloping line is still intact. Check if AI is still trending. Check if still volume in the market there. For now, if you're watching it like soon after I've released it, then you're completely fine. But if it's a while down the road, just be a little bit careful about that. Because these are meme coins, so they suddenly go up many hundreds of percent, and then they can have 60% dips, go up many hundreds of percent, 60% dips. That's just how they move. And then sometimes they'll reach a top, and then that's it. It's over. So you shouldn't be in the position then. You should have sold most of your position. So keep that in mind. But this is one definitely to add to your watch list. Another one, this is getting a little bit high now. So I'm not in this one personally. I'm actually waiting for a healthy pullback on this one if we see one. And this is called Fartcoin. It's another one trending. Everything's related to the GOAT meme coin and @TruthTerminal, which is the AI Twitter account. This is one, again, add to the watch list, and if you get a healthy pullback, it might be one worth considering. Because some of these mid-caps, they will run to hundreds of millions as well. But the return on investment is better. You're more likely to make multiples on these. Another one, E/ACC, effective accelerationism. Now, this is a very, very popular term here. By the way, you can see on a lot of these charts, I make my own notes. You should too. So if you click on this T button here, and just click anywhere, you can write your own notes so you don't have to go back to it again and again. And your notes are retained as long as you've logged in here to Deck Screener. Whatever you write on here will stay there. All of the lines you make, trend lines, analysis, etc. So I tend to do that because it's good reminders, and it's also for my own learning. I'm always improving my trading. Even me, I'm always learning new things. You have to do that when it comes to trading meme coins. So this particular one is a very strong trending topic now in the world of AI. And it's very possible because big kind of world CEOs like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, they talk about this as a concept. They don't have anything to do with the meme coin, but they talk about this as a concept. So as a concept, this is very, very strong. So when you're thinking about meme coins, you're thinking about the law in relation to it. That's why this is a good one to have on your watch list as well. Next one, Forest. Very tied in with the GOAT meme coin. And this is finally broken out. You can see I've made loads of notes here, but it's finally broken out of this accumulation range. and it's very bullish. It's getting into all-time highs. What you want to see is always impulsive price action, sideways downwards corrections, impulsive price actions. That's what you want to see in a trending market. So again, keep an eye on this. And you see I made a note there. It's about EW, that's Elliott wave. So sometimes these corrections, you can't let them get too deep, otherwise it breaks the impulsive structure. And again, it's another one. I'm not going to bore you with all the details. You can read through the Twitter, you can search for the term, and there's some amazing write-ups on x.com about some of these meme coins. But it's these organic ones that you want to be focusing on. There are a lot of coins, by the way, in AI that people are just throwing up a picture of some AI-looking agent, and they're obviously typing in the tweets themselves, and they made like 5 tweets, and it's sitting at 2 million market cap. Those are the ones you shouldn't go near. So just be very careful with that. Do a little bit of research. Very easy to do. For example, a low cap one that I got into, and I've been trading in and out of it, it's been going really well on this particular one, is this XVI. So this one is called Xavier's Simulation, and brand new launch last night. And like I said, this was really good one for me, and I'm still in this coin because it's looks like it could be running again. And this is basically an AI simulation, and it says it here, it's exploring a journey of a person going from 18 to 72 in 108 real world days, and it's autonomous tweets. And with this one, it just talks about how a kid's now started college, and some of his experiences and stuff like that. Now this type of thing, this type of law, this was very big back a couple of 2-3 years ago when it came to NFTs. So this is definitely an interesting account, and I feel like this could catch on because people want to see how the story ends, what happens next, stuff like that. So like I said, it's nothing incredible, but it's definitely unique, different. This is more a storybook kind of AI coin. So you can see there's different styles. This is more a storybook one. You've got the ridiculous meme one, which is GOAT, and also that's kind of the premium coin. You've got this, which is more looking at the technology or the concept of us moving forward faster and faster. You've got the religious angle as well. For example, ACT could be considered one of those. You've got the silly coins as well, like Fart Coin, for example. And here's another one that I like, and this is called Omega. And this particular one, again, like just a reminder, like any of these could top any second and just dump all the way to 1 million. This is meme coins. You don't know. So I don't know if 100% if this is hit a top, but I do know that correcting from 24 million to 6 or 7 million is not weird when it comes to meme coin trading, because if you look at the percentages, you can see that this is, well, it's a little bit more, but generally 60% corrections are not anything abnormal. So this is one I would add to my watch list. See if you can get a further dip. This is actually getting a little bit deep now in terms of a pullback. You'd rather a pullback here to about 10-12 million, and then we go. If it gets a little bit too deep, then you start to question whether it could still run, obviously. But this one, again, is a little bit unique and different, because this particular one, this is more to do with images, with AI generated images as well. So you can see it's kind of like a different angle. So again, another one to keep an eye on. You can't ignore anything that's been running kind of very nice upward trending all the way from 100,000 all the way up to 25 million. And you shouldn't be surprised if some of them have big corrections along the way. But again, our opportunities lie in the dips, because some of the ones I mentioned today, some of them will run. I don't know which ones. Some of them will run to 100 million, especially if GOAT keeps running above 1 billion and beyond. And also notice that since we've had this AI meme coin trend and craze, the attention's been good. It's been going up. I've not noticed it suddenly fall off and us jump back into cat or dog coins. Doesn't seem to be happening this time. AI really is hitting different, and it is obviously a very trending topic in the wider world, and it's obviously also one of the main trending narratives of this particular cycle so far. First link in description if you want to take your trading to another level. There's a coupon code in the description below. Enrollment ends in a few days. So which AI coins are you looking at the moment? Please comment below. Thanks for listening.